Very good morning to one and all. In this session, we will see 5 minutes yoga plus exercise. This is very important to make our body fit and flexible. So, in this session, we will see 5 minutes. Only give you 5 minutes to yourself all day. It is 5-minute video, but you have to do in 20 minutes. So, let's get started. So, stand, close your eyes and close your hands. Make your hand straight aligned to your shoulder and just rotate it from anti-clockwise and to clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now next practice is to make clouds in our hand. We have to fold our hands half. Then rotate your कमर in left side and right side. Then rotate your head from upside to downside. From right side to left side. Rotate your head from right side to left and left side to right. Now rotate your kamar from anti-clockwise to clockwise. Then rotate the knee from anti-clockwise to clockwise. Come back to your position and now we have to do cross pose. So your right hand on the left foot and left hand on the right foot. Do it at least 20 times. Do it with a slowly. Do not give pain on your body. Good pain is better, but bad pain is not good. So come back to your position and now next asana is Trikonasana. In this, your right hand will be on the right foot and left hand will be the straight towards your head. Now come back to your original position. We have to do squat. So doing squat is very important to maintain our best times or 20 times as your capacity. After doing squat, come back to very hard exercise. So you have to do, keep your right leg up and left leg down. Make your hands to go at right side and left side. Do it at least 10 times a day. Just stop at the one place and concentrate it. Come back to your position and make your leg to inward outside and press your thigh and just to make your hands on the foot. Wait a time. Now come back to your original position. We will do Vrikshasana. Make your both hands upward and one leg on one thigh. Concentrate it, then come back. Next, this process will be next on the another leg. And do it and concentrate on one point. Come back to your position. So next will be Tadasana. Make your hands upward and foot will be up. So next practice we will take for opening our split. Just make a distance and place your hand in the surface area. One hand will be upside and you have to face on the upside. Do this same with your opposite side. Don't get pressure on your legs. come back to your original position. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.